What's up, guys? It's Jeff. So, teaser trailer has debuted. Did you guys like it? I hope you guys did, because I enjoyed making it. I'm very glad that, you guys get a little bit of an idea of how I'm bringing Mathaion to you, how I'm presenting it, how I'm delivering it to you. It's something that's been up in my head for God knows how long. Some of you have told me, how much you like it so far. That is just great to hear. The teaser trailer is just the tip of the iceberg, though. I have a lot more coming your way leading up into January. We've got 2 months to, for me to school you on the Malvanduri trilogy and to help get you guys prepared for this journey that you're about to take with Mathaion. Be sure to be watching part 1 of the interview and commenting on that, and keep asking questions. We're right in the middle of shooting part 2 of the video interview, and I could always use more questions to answer. Can't answer all of them because some of them are kind of spoilerish, but I'm sure you understand that. There's so much about this book that I want to tell you, but if I do, you won't have a book to read. You won't need to read a book. And I want you to read the book. I can tell you what I will be talking about in part 2. It will be much more expansive than part 1. Part 1 was a general kind of overview, my general, state of the fantasy genre as a whole. Part 2 is going to be specifically about Mathaion. I'm going to be going into the language, which you saw a glimpse of in the teaser trailer. A little bit of the history of this fantasy world that I created. I'm going to be talking about the different races that inhabit this world. I don't want to overwhelm you with too many facts, but I am going to delve into it a little bit just so you get a context to read the book in. One of the things that I've always liked about fantasy is this kind of plausible pseudo-history that we get to kind of study and explore and look through. It's one of the things that inspired me to write Mathaion, so I'm very glad to be doing this for you guys too. Keep telling people about the book. I really don't have much more to say. Is just a quick update, quick shout out to Shane. Congratulations on Raskus. I hear it's doing really well. I'm about to go to bed, so yeah. All right, night, guys.